Hello friends, welcome back. Are you someone who loves Coke, Pepsi, store-bought soda? I have a fantastic recipe for you which can replace your store-bought soda and unhealthy Coke and Pepsi. Here I am using everything natural so you can stop buying Coke, Pepsi lemonade from store and make your own lemonade at home with very easily available ingredients. To make natural soda, we need yeast. The yeast will help the fermentation, and during fermentation it will create gas or carbon dioxide, and which in turn will create the soda or carbonation. I'm not going to use any commercial yeast. I'm using the yeast from my ginger bug or ginger yeast. Basically, it's the yeast made from ginger and sugar. You can check out my recipe. I'll put the link here, and I will also put the link in the description. Before you make this, you need to see how to make the ginger yeast or ginger bug. Once you are able to make ginger bug, then this recipe is for you. Since we are making lemonade, so we need lemon. I need around 50 ml lemon juice for 1 liter lemonade. So I think 2 big lemons are sufficient. If you are using small lemons, then you might need more than that. Now I will take filtered water, and I will also use 50 grams sugar. If you want your drink little bit sweet, you can use little bit more sugar, but 50 grams is actually quite sufficient because we are not going to ferment for a long time, and it will be sweet enough. In fact, just perfect. Now take a clean sterilized jar. You can use flip top bottle or those narrow mouth airlock system bottle. That will be great to have a very good carbonation and fizz, but I'm just using normal bottle. This one is not completely airtight, but if you keep the cap tight, then it's actually good enough. Let the sugar dissolve nicely in the water. I'm going to use these fresh mints. If you don't have fresh, then maybe you can use the dry one. But the fresh mints have very refreshing aroma. This mint will make the drink really refreshing. I'm also going to use lemongrass, which is my favorite. You might know already because I'm using lemongrass in so many drinks, in tea, even in vegetable fermentation. So yeah, this is my favorite. The aroma of lemongrass will bring the lemonade to another level. The sugar almost dissolved, and now I'm going to add the lemon juice. This is my ginger yeast or ginger bug, and now I'm going to add this to the lemonade. I will use around 150 ml. You can see lots of bubbles on top. This is because of the ginger yeast or ginger bug we have added. Keep the cap very tight so that minimal air will go in, and leave this in room temperature for 3 days. On first day you might not see any changes, but from second day onwards, or maybe after a few hours, you will see lots of bubbles or small bubbles going upward. That means the fermentation is active and it has started. Today is the third day and you can see small bubbles going upward, which means the fermentation has started, and also it has created carbonation and fizz. Once you notice the fermentation has started, you must burp at least once a day and keep the cap tight again. Just open for 5 seconds or 10 seconds and then close it back. If you don't burp regularly, the bottle can explode, but don't keep it open for too long, then the carbonation and fizz will be not very strong. After keeping 3 days in room temperature and burping once a day, I have kept the bottle in the refrigerator, and there also I kept 3 days and burp once a day. Make sure to take out the bottle from the refrigerator just 10 minutes before serving, so that when you're serving it's not very chilled, because when it's very chilled the carbonation and fizz will be little less. While opening the cap, make sure you are opening it slowly, because sometimes inside will have too much carbonation and fizz, which can give you some trouble. So it's always better to open it slowly. This soda is healthy because during fermentation we get good bacteria or probiotics, which is good for our gut health. And sugar wise, we have used only 5% sugar, which is way less than the commercial drinks is having. Generally Coke and Pepsi having 11% sugar, and also this sugar get further reduced during fermentation. So finally when we are drinking, it may not be 5% anymore, it could be 3 or maximum 3.5%. Add some fresh mint leaves and 1 slice of lime, and your homemade lemonade is ready. If you look closely, you can see those carbonation and fizziness reflecting on the glass. So make your own healthy lemonade at home, and you will forget about any unhealthy cold drinks or the soda drinks. If you like this video, comment below, give me a thumbs up, press the subscribe button with the bell button, and I will see you again with many more fermented food and drinks recipes. Stay happy, stay healthy.